In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create social media graphics in GIMP. We'll cover each step from setting up your canvas to exporting your final design so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create engaging graphics for your social media pages. First, let's open GIMP. Once you're in, the first thing we'll do is create a new canvas. This part is crucial because the aspect ratio you choose will determine how your graphic appears on different platforms. For social media, a common dimension is 1080 by 1080 pixels, providing a perfect square that works well for platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Go to File, click on New, and input these dimensions. It's always a good idea to name your project at this point, just to keep things organized from the start. Now that we have our canvas ready, let's move on to the fun part, adding elements like backgrounds, shapes, and text. Begin by choosing a background color or image, depending on your design theme. To do this, you can use the Bucket Fill tool for solid colors or import an image by going to File and selecting Open as Layers. Once your background is set, you can add shapes, which are fantastic for breaking up your design or highlighting text. Use the rectangle and ellipse tools found in your toolbox and experiment with colors to make them pop. Next, it's time to add text, which can serve as the main message of your graphic. Select the Text tool, click anywhere on your canvas, and type your desired content. Don't forget to play around with different fonts and sizes to ensure your text is legible and eye-catching. Also, consider the placement of your text and shapes, as a balanced layout can significantly enhance your graphic's appeal. One of GIMP's powerful features is its ability to manage multiple layers, which gives you the flexibility to edit individual elements without affecting the entire design. Think of layers as different sheets of paper stacked on top of one another. Each element, whether it's an image, shape, or text, should be on its own layer. You can add a new layer by clicking on Layer in the menu bar and selecting New Layer. This feature comes in handy when you need to make adjustments or move elements around. It allows you to do so seamlessly. After you're satisfied with your design, the final step is to export your graphic. For social media, PNG is a great format because it maintains clarity and supports transparency. Go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG from the drop-down menu. Name your file and click Export. A dialog box will appear with some export options. You can generally leave these as default unless you have specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a polished social media graphic using GIMP. With these skills, you're now ready to enhance your social media presence with custom graphics. Happy designing, and feel free to watch this video again whenever you need a refresher.